Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about a candle warmer. During Hobby Lobby 50% off sale, the original candle warmers were 40 to 50% off, and I already had one at home. I plugged my hot plate in so it is preheated and ready to go. This is a candle that's at the end. This is about 5 minutes later. I do not want you to throw away your candles. Go to Hobby Lobby and pick up one of these candle warmers. Do not throw away those candles because you can still get scents out of those scented candles. I would like to thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Please click and subscribe to my channel.